Hey guys, it's me Elena, missed me? I'm here today with the new Azone doll. It's been a while since I unboxed non-BJD doll. And yeah, surprise surprise, it's another Chiika. Like the 11 I already have are not enough. Her whole box is just screaming sweetness and cuteness. It has a cream and pink striped pattern all around it. On the front we can see the serious name Star Sprinkles. On the bottom is a classical doll's portrait surrounded by bows. Here's Chiika's role in this new universe. She is a moon cat. I thought usually bunnies are connected to the moon. And yeah, they definitely recently announced the Moon Rabbit Riley. I like this little cat picture next to the Chiika's name. Similar picture can be seen on the top of the box, but this time Chiika is framed in a golden star. On the side of the box there are full-height portraits of the doll. One is wearing a white apron-like outfit detail and the other one is without it. Lately there are so many sugary dolls by Azone. We are in danger of some sugar overdose. On the back of the box there are two Chiikas chilling on the clouds with the moon and stars. One of them is mine with white hair and another one is her second version with grey hair. Mine was a special Azone store version which is noted on the front of the box. However, the usual version is not exactly usual, to be honest. For the first time Chiika got a kitty cat mouth. I was so tempted to get her as well. Such a historical event. Here is also a little story. When Chiika sprinkles the seeds of the stars in the pot on the clouds, the stars cookie will sprout and shine in the sky. The whole series is about Star Sprinkles Wonderland, right next to the SugarCups world. Another Azone dolls line which I unboxed before on my channel. I have more girls from this series in my pre-order list. So if you don't want to miss their unboxing, subscribe to my channel. A bit lower you see the usual set contents list. Information about execute characters, information about the flexion body this doll has and her price, which was 15,000 yen on the day of the release. With the doll we got a card with a big picture of two Chiika sisters we saw on the back of the box, and on the back side is an illustrated set of her outfit. Everything looks so cute and sugary. Lower is familiar QR code that links to the doll's maintenance guide. The back side of the box as usual could be a nice background for doll photography. It has a huge moon and clouds with stars all around it. The top and bottom parts have pink stripes. Finally, the doll herself. Her hair was one of the main reasons why I got this specific version of her. I haven't had white-haired Azone dolls before, and also she has an unusual hairstyle, two ponytails on the sides. They are actually separate hair pieces inserted into her head and tightened together with a transparent hairband. Those tails also have pink color strands. Chiika has unevenly cut bangs with longer parts on the sides of her face. The head underneath is painted and white. Even if this version doesn't have a kitty mouth, her mouth is still not the most typical for Chiika. She is smiling. Her eye color is pink and lashes are dark brown, which creates a softer look than if they would have used a black color for this. The skin color is white. Chiika is wearing a white lace choker with a tiny pink bow and shiny crystal on the front. It fastens behind with a metallic hook. First is this white upper element of her dress similar to an apron. It has little wings with laces on the straps. On the front are pink ribbons imitating lacing and a big double bow with white and pink stripes. The skirt part also has laces and ruffles. On the back it fastens with a plastic snap. The straps are the same, so you cannot fasten them to make the process of changing clothes faster. On the back it also has a big white bow and first element which tells us that we are holding a little cat. Right next to the bow a long soft white tail is attached. belt. Inside it has a wire so you can position it as you like. Moving to the main part of the dress, the bell-shaped sleeves and top part of the skirt are made of a mint sheer fabric. The sleeves and round neckline have some lace decorations. The body is made of a mint and white striped fabric. In the middle there are 5 golden beads, laces and pin tucks. Also on the doll's chest is a big pink bow with a tiny golden cat button. Where did they find such a cute little button? Anyway, it's the second hint pointing towards Chiika's kitty nature. On the waist there is a pink fabric ribbon decoration. The skirt part has a lot of layers of different laces and frills. They make it look like a layered cake. On the sides it is decorated with 2 pink bows. The underskirt is sewn to the dress and made of 2 layers of hard net pink fabric. The first layer also has additional frills made from the same fabric. The dress fastens from behind with a white velcro. On the wrist she is wearing cuffs created from 2 layers of thick laces. A pink bow in the middle is decorating them. They are stretchy so you can take them off and put them on without removing the doll's hands. Underneath she is wearing simple white cotton bloomers. They have strings on the waist and leg area. Chiika's knee socks are made from an interesting white net fabric with little dots. On the top there is a thick lace similar to the one we saw on her cuffs. Also the same pink bow is decorating them on the sides. Here we go, the kitty headband. Around the band there are 2 types of white laces, pink ribbon with golden thread crisscrossing on the top. On the side there are big pink bows. And of course cat ears. They are really soft to the touch and made from the same material as Chiika's tail. Inside of them is pink fabric. The main part is fixed with threads on a white plastic base. I'm in love with her little accessory, which is a glass spherical jar which Chiika is wearing like a bag. It is on a golden metallic chain, has a clasp, and the cup on top has little cat ears. So cute! And yes, unfortunately you can't open it. It is glued to the jar itself. Inside the jar a lot of pink stars and white beads which Chiika is using for creating star cookies. It looks very magical. Chiika is gonna wear white faux leather shoes. They each have a pink ribbon strap with a bow and golden cat buttons on the middle. The shoes have little heels and the sole is white too. As usual there are right and left marks on the sole. I wish they made 2 different dresses for Chiika's. In this case, nothing would be able to stop me from getting both of them. Did you get any of the star sprinkles, girls? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how many of us joined in this sugary world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love dolls and Kong Kong!